हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एसएन एकेडमी। आज के सेशन में हम जानेंगे करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में, नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल न्यूज़ इन वन लाइन्स, सो कीप वॉचिंग। The first news is an IEEE Spectrum report. The Beijing-based company is set to send the world's first mining robot named Asteroid Mining Robot into space by November 2020 to identify and extract resources. The mining robot will be launched into space by a Chinese Long March series rocket. Important keys: China capital Beijing, currency renminbi, and president name is Xi Jinping. Next, the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO has successfully flight tested the supersonic missile assisted release of torpedo SMART. SMART stands for Supersonic Missile Assisted Release of Torpedo from Wheeler Island of the coast of Orissa. Important keys: DRDO Chairman Dr. G. Satish Reddy and headquarters is in New Delhi. Next, the Nobel Prize in Physics 2020 was divided. One half award to Roger Penrose for the discovery that black hole formation is a robust prediction of the general theory of relativity. The other half jointly to Reinhard Genzel and Andrea Ghez for the discovery of a supermassive compact object at the center of our galaxy. The Nobel Prize in Physics is awarded the Royal Swedish Academy of Science, Stockholm, Sweden. Next, the Indo-American Chamber of Commerce IACC has presented the Lifetime Achievement Award to business icon Ratan Tata for his pioneering role in the business relations of India-USA and for his lifetime achievement in global leadership. This award has announced in the virtual event of IACC COVID Crusader Award 2020. This is the first time of IACC conferred the Lifetime Achievement Award to any individual. Next, the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs MOHUA has entered in an memorandum of understanding with Swiggy, one of the leading food delivery platforms, to onboard street food vendors on its e-commerce platform. The MO aims at giving the street food vendors online access to thousands of consumers and help them grow their business. The arrangement has been facilitated under the Prime Minister Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi scheme. Important keys: Minister of State of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs is Hardeep Singh Puri. Swiggy CEO is Vishal Bhatia. Swiggy founded on 2014. Swiggy headquarters is in Bangalore, India. Next, the 12th BRICS Summit is scheduled to be held on 17th November 2020 via video conference. This is the first time in the history of the forum that the meeting will be held virtually due to the global COVID pandemic. The summit is being held under the chairmanship of Russia. The theme of the meeting of the leaders of BRICS countries is BRICS Partnership for Global Stability, Shared Security and Innovative Growth. Important keys: the 5 member BRICS states are Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Next, on the occasion of the 151st birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, the Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, has launched the coffee table book titled Babu, the Unforgettable over the virtual event. This virtual event was organized by the Delhi Achievers and Department of Art, Culture and Language, Government of Delhi. The department also organized a webinar on footprints of Gandhiji in Delhi. Next, the author of Bahubali series, Anand Nilakantan, has authored his first kids book titled The Very Extremely Most Naughty Ashura Tales for Kids, published by Puffins Publishers Private Limited under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Next, the United Nations designated the first Monday of October as World Habitat Day. In 2020, the World Habitat Day is being celebrated on 5th October. The theme for 2020 World Habitat Day is Housing for All, a Better Urban Future, as a proper place to live has become important more than ever. Next, Wildlife Week is annually celebrated across India between 2nd to 8th October with an aim to protect and preserve the flora and fauna of India. The first Wildlife Week was observed in 1957. Wildlife Week 2020 marks the 66th Wildlife Week, which is celebrated under the theme Roar, Exploring Human-Animal Relationship. Next, three-time member of Legislative Council and veteran Samajwadi Party leader from Auraiya is Mulayam Singh Yadav passed away. He had been the block chief of Auraiya's block Bhagyanagar for more than a decade. He continued to be a member of the Legislative Council from the local body constituency till 2010. Next, the red cherry pepper chili of Sikkim, which is locally known as the Dale Kursani, has earned the geographical indication tag from the Union Department of Industry Promotion and Internal Trade. Notably, it is considered as one of the hottest chilies in the world. Important keys: Chief Minister of Sikkim P.S. Golai and Governor of Sikkim is Ganga Prasad. Next, the Puducherry Airport has become the first airport of the Airports Authority of India AAI, which is entirely solar powered. The 500 kilowatt power ground mounted solar power plant was commissioned on 2nd October 2020. Important keys: Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry is Dr. Kiran Bedi and Chief Minister of Puducherry is V. Narayanaswamy. Next, Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal has announced the launch of the anti-pollution campaign Yudh Pradushan Ke Viruddh to reduce the pollution level in Delhi. An anti-dust campaign is being initiated by the Delhi government to settle the dust. Important keys: Lieutenant Governor of Delhi is Anil Baijal. 7th October 2020. The first news is India and Myanmar are working towards the operationalization of the Sitwe port in the Rakhine state of Myanmar in the first quarter of 2021. The port is a part of the Kaladan multimodal transport project, which is being viewed as India's gateway to Southeast Asia. Important keys: Capital of Myanmar is Naypyidaw and currency of Myanmar is Burmese Kyat and President of Myanmar is Win Myint. Next, the 7th offshore patrol vessel of the Indian Coast Guard ICG Vigraha was formally unveiled at the Kattupalli port, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The vessel, built by Larsen & Toubro, is the last in the series of 7 OPVs contracted to the company by the Ministry of Defence in 2015. Important keys: Indian Coast Guard Director General is Krishnaswamy Natarajan. Indian Coast Guard founded on 18th August 1978 and headquarters in Ministry of Defence, New Delhi. Next, the 2020 Nobel Prize in Chemistry is awarded to Emmanuelle Carpentier and Jennifer A. Donda for the development of a method for genome editing. Next, according to Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, a memorandum of understanding has been signed between the Indian Sign Language Research and Training Centre and the National Council of Educational Research and Training (NCERT) to make educational materials accessible for hearing impaired children. Important keys: Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment is Thawar Chand Gehlot. Next, Quad countries foreign minister meet held in Tokyo, Japan. All 4 Quad countries the United States, Japan, India and Australia to hold bilateral discussions over free and open Indo-Pacific initiative and coronavirus pandemic. This is the second Quad FM meeting. The first was held in 2019. Next, the Government of India has appointed 3 new economists as member of the 6-member rate-setting Monetary Policy Committee (MPC) of the Reserve Bank of India. The government had formed a committee for selection of these 3 new members of MPC. This search-cum-selection committee for MPC was headed by Economic Affairs Secretary Tarun Bajaj. The new members are Professor Ashima Goyal, a professor at the Mumbai-based Indira Gandhi Institute of Development Research; Professor Jayant R. Verma, a professor of finance at the Indian Institute of Management in Ahmedabad; and Dr. Shashank Bhire, an agricultural economist and a senior advisor with the National Council of Applied Economic Research in New Delhi. Important keys: RBI 25th Governor is Shaktikant Das. Headquarter is in Mumbai. Founded 1st April 1935 in Kolkata. Next, ICICI Bank has launched a debit card facility for the customers availing the Loan Against Securities (LAS) from the bank. The debit card is available on the Visa platform. With this launch, ICICI Bank has become the first bank in India to launch such a facility. Important keys: ICICI Bank headquarters in Mumbai, Maharashtra. MD and CEO is Sandeep Bakshi and tagline is Hum hai na Khayal Aapka. Next, the Government of India has appointed Dinesh Kumar Khara as the new chairman of State Bank of India for a period of 3 years. His appointment is effective from October 7th. Currently, Khara is the managing director in charge of global banking and subsidiaries. The Bank Board Bureau (BBB) had recommended Khara for the post of chairman of SBI on August 28th, ruling out an extension to Rajneesh Kumar, whose term is ending on October 6th. Next, Senior IPS officer M.A. Ganapathy has been appointed as the Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. He is a 1986 batch IPS officer of Uttarakhand cadre. The post of BCAS, that is Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, chief fell vacant after Rakesh Asthana was appointed as the Director General of Border Security Force in August. Next, the Center for Development of Advanced Computing (CDAC) will be commissioning India's largest HPC AI supercomputer Param Siddhi AI. This initiative will place India among the top countries in global artificial intelligence supercomputing research and innovation. Important keys: CDAC Director General is Hemant Darbari, established in 1988, headquarters in Pune, Maharashtra. Next, World Cotton Day is observed globally on 7th October since 2019. Important keys: World Trade Organization headquarter is Geneva, Switzerland. Founded on 1st January 1995 and Director General is Roberto Azevedo. Next, Afghanistan right-handed batsman Najib Tarakai passed away in a road accident. He played 2020 internationals for Afghanistan after making his international debut in the 2014 T20 World Cup. He played his only one-day international against Ireland in 2017. Next, veteran Bollywood actor Vishal Anand has passed away. He came to fame with 1976 super hit song and film Chalte Chalte. His real name was Bhishmam Kohli. Thank you. Keep watching.